So today I'm only showing you some of my slimes and some of my stuff that I put in my slimes and like that stuff. So the first slime I'll be showing you is my clear slime. This is not clear yet because I haven't let it sit yet, but it's gonna sit, and like this is the best slime I probably ever made. Well, I don't know. I need to let this sit though because it's not here yet. Clinton, you want to show them your slime?
No.
Fine then. There's my clear slime. It's not clear yet, but I have these little foam beads and these ones. They're just in two different containers because I don't have anything. Next slime. This one. It's really good.
Where? Your pizza and cheese sticks are coming.
You thank you. You thank you.
This is my purple slime. I'm trying to hurry because I have to go somewhere here in a minute. So here is one of my flows. There's a flow.
Quentin,
My flow.
I believe go with you.
yeah, Mama.
Please.
Yeah.
Please.
I don't know why you keep going. It's scaring me a hug. Come here.
I believe go with you. And look at us. And look at us. Mommy, look at us. And look at us.
Stop! My tricks are here! You can if you want to. I mean, don't be bad, obviously.
I just think it's dumb that Aaron don't. I mean, seriously, Aaron can fucking bring Alex here and I'm sure she'll think that.
There's that blue one.
What is their pizza? Their pizza coming?
Yeah,
Show you next. I'm just going to show you.
Really?
And now I know that Trump is. So when I go back in, I'm actually really
Who are you?
We eat a mosquito bite. Snakes. We eat a mosquito bite. What? We eat a mosquito bite. Look, it's right here. I had my cat, then I have my lid on there. I had my Lego scratched in my lid.
Well, what if, like, especially when
Mommy, let's go with them. Mommy. Mommy.
Wait!
Let's go with them.
No one's going anywhere. You're gonna wait on the pizza man to come.
The pizza man will be coming.
Here, why do you have your shoes on? Why do you have your shoes on? Because you're going somewhere? You're going to Trisha, I know you are.
What?
You're going to Trisha, aren't you? No, I mean like, are you?
I mean, he does that every
I'm only going to
You
look at
don't-
it.
you won't ever go with me if I ever leave.
What? For what?
Wait a minute, I'm gonna go with you.
You are not going with your mother. Give her a hug and a kiss now. If you want a hug and a kiss, give it to her now. Hurry up. She has to go. Okay, I'm gonna pick you up and then I'll go get to give her one. Okay.
I'll be back, okay?
Give her a hug.
Give me a hug. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I'll be right back, okay?
Wait, you can pick that more money.
I'll be back. I'll be back.
No,
I'll be back. Now.
no, go chase her.
I'll be back.
Tell her I love you. Tell her I love you.
I have your phone right here. Ask how she'll have to take charge of it.
Do I need to follow you?
Here. Ask how she'll plug it in. You want it?
She's not going anywhere. She has to go check on her food. If you, she's got to go check on her food. We gotta wait on the pizza man. She's going to check on her food. Now stop. Now, get up there. Marissa, hurry up. Now stay right. Hurry. Go. That fucking hurts. Stand up. Now stop it. Now, dry your tears. Dry them up. You're not going to do that. You need to go back to bed. Wait. You're not running after your mom. No, I just told you. Sit down here, be good. And I'm gonna whoop your butt and give you something to cry about. Do you want me to whoop your butt and give you something to cry about? Now get up there. Sissy will be back in. She walked over to Trisha's. Now dry it out. 1, 2. Knock it off. I'm not gonna do it for you till you start crying. Pizza. Go ahead. Go get it. Marissa, come get it. No,
Okay.
my face. Now!
Hey!
Now!
Mommy.
Oh, Get in here.
Sit it right here. Top of that.
Okay, sorry guys, we just got pizza, Papa John's, and like it is amazing. And like I can't wait. And we got cheesy bread, and we're getting Mountain Dew. Sorry, I don't mind.
I take it off.
Okay, I'm gonna put my sign away, but make sure to please subscribe to my channel.
Get all your stuff cleaned up.
That's what I'm doing. Is there cheese
Remind
bread?
me, Stacey's cleaning in here.
Hey, is there cheese bread?
Yeah. We'll sweep
What
up
is
here real
it?
quick.
A top.
Quinn, don't rip that off, though, because you need that on there.
Wait. Move, I'm gonna sweep real quick. Pick that up.
Okay. Ain't you, Quentin?
No, don't be yelling and screaming.